Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a gig in Fiverr.com. So basically it's very simple and easy. Please follow the steps and watch the video till the end. So we are going to go in Fiverr. This is the dashboard of our selling account. So basically we can create a gig very easily. We'll go to profile. As we can see, we have an option create a new gig, so we will click on that. So the gig title should be what you are doing or what you are willing to provide service to your buyer. So here there is a line written, I will do something I'm really good at. So you don't have to rewrite I will. You just have to write I will make a logo for you, I will make a poster for you, etc. So I will, you don't have to write I will again and again, so it's already default written. So I will write I will do logo making and designs. Simple and clean. We will try to keep the title as small as possible so that it can be catchy to some users. So we have our gig title ready. Then we will select categories and subcategory. So we will select on category, we will select graphics and designs, as logo making is part of graphics and designs. We will select a subcategory, logo design. As we can see, it's right on the top. Now we have to select the style of our logo, so which type of style we are willing to give to our users. So we will select vintage or card. We have to select any one, so I will write vintage. Logo type 1, 2, 3. You can select any logo type you want. I just selected 3. File format, I want to select all of them, because the more services you provide, the better it is. So now this is important. This is an important part. Now we have to write our search tags. It means if what happens if the writer writes logo design. So we will, this is a search tag, so I'll write logo design. Basically, if a user searches logo designs or logos, then our gig will be shown to them. I wrote only 2. You can add up to 5. We have to agree to these terms and conditions, so just click on that, save and continue. So this is where you are listing your pricing. We have to name our package. I will just keep it simple. I will just write basic, standard, exclusive. You can use any word as you want. So here we have to write what we are providing in the basic, so we will write 2 logo designs. You can reduce it or increase it as you want. I'm just giving it as an example. JPG format plus we are basically offering the services. right here. We are writing the offer. To revisions. That should be good enough. So in standard and premium, we will increase. I recommend to increase the revisions and the delivery time, because as they are standard and premium and they take a lot of time. So I will just write 3 logo designs plus any format, let's say 6 revisions. And here in premium we will write 6 logo designs. Basically we will provide 6 logo designs to the buyer, and they will select their own which they like. So any format again, unlimited revisions, plus you can offer more services. Fast delivery, let's say. So here we will select 3 days, let's say 4 days, 3 days and 2 days. As we mentioned here, fast delivery, so it should be faster than the other 2. We will select the revisions that we just stated in the offers. 2 revisions, 6 revisions, and unlimited revisions. We have the option unlimited below 9, so we will select that. Number of concepts, we will write concepts right here, logo concepts. I just forgot to add that. Number of concept, just we wrote it right here, 6. So you can add up to 5 it seems, so we will just reduce it to 5, 3 and 2. It's much better. We will select all, we will select some of them and we will leave some of them because some of them are not necessary. For example, this is not necessary, but if you want you can add it by simply clicking on this tick. You can tick it, you can select it. I will just keep it simple and clean. I will not go any further with this. I will just use this, select all of them. Now here is the price. So I recommend you to put the price based on your quality of your logo. If your quality is not good, then people will not buy your product. So let's say $20 for basic, $30 for standard, and $50 for premium. It's just an example. You can add more, you can reduce it. It depends on your choice. So here we can see we have extra services. You will get extra money according to this terms and conditions if the buyer selects an extra service. So we don't want to add extra service right here. We just want to save and continue. Unselect it if you don't want it. Untick it. Yeah, that should do it. So here we have to briefly describe our gig, what this gig is about. So we will describe our gig. We will just copy this here. You can write about yourself, what you do, or just simply describe this gig, what this gig is about. So we will just click on save and continue after we wrote the description about the gig. So we will add questions for our buyers. So I will just write, please contact me before any purchase or any queries. Thanks. Let's say a winky face. Let's say a smile face. Now we have to wait a second. Yeah, now we have to add our images of our logos. Right here we can give up to 3 images, not more than that. And if you want, you can add 1 video of your logo. You can make 3. You can make a video about your logos, or you can add documents. So we will just give some pictures right here. So after adding 2 images right here, we are simply gonna click on save and continue. We will just click on wordmark, custom tags. Continue. We will add info about this monogram, gaming, as this is a gaming logo. So we will just click on gaming logo and continue. I have to click on terms and conditions, save and continue. So after doing all of the steps, we will be directed to this page where it says almost there, let's publish your gig and get some buyers rolling in. It means that you have successfully finished all the steps and you are ready to publish your gig. So we will just click on publish gig, and yes, your gig has been published on your Fiverr account. So this is how you make a gig. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.